Can Akitas be trained for flyball competitions? Flyball is a thrilling and fast-paced dog sport that challenges both the physical and mental abilities of dogs. It involves a relay race where dogs jump over a series of hurdles, trigger a box that releases a tennis ball, catch the ball, and then return to their handlers. This sport requires speed, agility, and precise timing, making it an exciting challenge for both dogs and their owners. Many dog breeds participate and excel in flyball competitions, but can Akitas be trained for this sport? Akitas are large and powerful dogs with a strong and independent nature. They were originally bred in Japan for hunting large game such as bears and boars. Due to their history as hunters, Akitas have a strong prey drive and a protective instinct. These characteristics can make training them for a sport like flyball challenging, but with the right approach and techniques, it is possible. The first step in training an Akita for flyball is to start early. It is important to begin training from a young age, ideally during the puppy stage. This allows the dog to develop a strong foundation of obedience and basic commands, which are essential for more advanced training. Early socialization is also crucial, as it helps Akitas become comfortable around other dogs and people in high-energy environments like flyball competitions. Positive reinforcement is key when training Akitas for flyball. These dogs respond well to praise, treats, and other rewards. It is important to use positive reinforcement consistently and in a timely manner to reinforce desired behaviors. This can include rewarding the dog every time they successfully complete a step in the flyball sequence, such as jumping over a hurdle or triggering the ball release box. Patience and persistence are vital when training Akitas for flyball. These dogs are intelligent and can be independent-minded, so it may take time for them to fully understand and execute each step of the sport. Consistent training sessions with clear and concise commands are essential for success. It is also important to keep training sessions short and fun, as Akitas can easily become bored or lose interest if the sessions are too long or repetitive. Building a strong bond with an Akita is crucial for successful flyball training. Akitas are known for their loyalty and devotion to their owners, and they thrive on a strong and trusting relationship. Spending quality time with the dog, engaging in regular play and exercise, and providing mental stimulation are all important for strengthening the bond. This bond will not only enhance the training process, but also ensure the dog's enthusiasm and willingness to participate in flyball competitions. While Akitas can excel in flyball, it is important to note that not all individuals will have the same level of interest or aptitude for the sport. Each dog is unique, and some Akitas may prefer other forms of physical or mental stimulation. It is crucial to assess the dog's personality and interests to determine if flyball is the right fit for them. Some Akitas may thrive in sports like obedience or agility instead, where their intelligence and athleticism can be put to good use. In conclusion, Akitas can be trained for flyball competitions with the right approach, starting from an early age and using positive reinforcement. Patience, persistence, and a strong bond with the dog are essential for success. While not all Akitas may have the same level of interest or aptitude for flyball, it is important to remember that each dog is unique and may excel in different areas. With proper training and consideration of the individual dog's needs and interests, Akitas can participate and succeed